Cells multiply like magic copiers. Imagine a cell as a mini photocopier. This tiny designer creates more by simply splitting in two, replicating like paper copying, so the original cell divides, each part becoming a complete copy. Inside, precise instructions called DNA get duplicated, ensuring the new cells are identical twins. Cells work tirelessly, much like a copier that never sleeps, working to maintain life. But here's the twist. Each division is a chance for surprise changes, sometimes incredible, sometimes risky, making life both resilient and beautifully unpredictable. Life's true magic happens in these microscopic moments.